Hey, this is Kerbel and I'm going to teach you how to do the slip and slide bind. It looks like this. So to do this trick, you can get to this position in two ways. Just like I did with that trapeze and putting the elbow over the string segment that it's attached to your throw hand like this, or doing an around the world and putting your arm or elbow in the way of the yo-yo. So you get into this mount and you just have to pop the yo-yo out, keep the motion going, and you have to mount the yo-yo in this string. And at the same time you will drop the string right here. So to do the slip and slide bind, you just have to grind before it binds and then slide. A nice tip I can give you is that when you're grinding the yo-yo, make sure your finger is pointing up a little bit so the yo-yo stays in place, because if you're completely horizontal, it will slide to your throw hand. And also, another nice tip I can give you to make this trick more consistent is that if you miss this string segment right here, while you're doing the grind, you can always put the string under and pop the yo-yo up so the string catches into the gap easily. I'll show you one more time what it looks like. And this is how you do the slip and slide bind.